Okay, we are working on the front fender extensions of a 77 Eldorado. So, I got the manual. The manual says take out the side marker light, which we did, and it's held in by these 3 bolts. Okay, so you wiggle that out, and then you twist out the light fittings, and then that comes out, and then it gives you a little bit of room to work up on these. And these are held on by these guys that are 3/8 of an inch. So you take those, reach behind here, reach up underneath here, and the front here, any way you can to get those off. And once they are all loose, off it comes. Okay, then you can go get your fiberglass piece or ABS and start the fitting process.